Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Copper CRM pipeline in custom stages, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Copper CRM account and log in. Navigate to the Pipelines section on the left sidebar. Click on Pipelines to view your existing pipelines. To create a new pipeline, click the New Pipeline button. Enter a name for your new pipeline in the designated field. After naming your pipeline, click Create to proceed. Now that your pipeline is created, you'll see the default stages listed. To customize the stages, click on the pencil icon next to the first stage. Edit the name of the stage as you prefer. Adjust the settings for the stage according to your workflow needs. If you need to add more stages, click on Add Stage. Repeat the naming and setting adjustments for each new stage you create. To rearrange the stages, simply drag and drop them into your desired order. Once you've set up all your stages, click Save to confirm your changes. You can always return to this section to make further adjustments if needed. To utilize your new pipeline, navigate to the Deals section. Select a deal and assign it to your new pipeline. As your deals progress, move them through the stages as needed. Familiarize yourself with how to view and manage deals within the pipeline. Monitor your pipeline's performance through the reporting features available. Regularly update stages and deal statuses for accurate tracking. Explore additional settings for notifications and automation as you grow more comfortable. Now you've successfully configured your Copper CRM pipeline in custom stages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.